Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Glassman shown in this video is a custom high-voltage output power supply used in the semiconductor industry. After being fully rebuilt, this power supply is loaded and tested for an hour before being considered fully repaired. The video shows the custom high-voltage output being monitored with a resistive load attached and our high-voltage probe. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.